me at the Kennedy Space Center in beautiful Cape Canaveral, Florida, the debut of the all-new 2020 Corvette C8 convertible. Let's check it out.
So I'm a civilian pilot, so most of the small.
Which ended up being the biggest difference here from the coupe we saw 3 months ago in its new convertible model is obviously the drop top. When the top is down, these beautiful flying buttresses are revealed. It gives this thing a really gorgeous shape and profile. When you look at it in 3/4 view, those flying buttresses really give it a Ferrari 458 Italia vibe to it, to be honest. It looks stunning. I'm actually a bigger fan visually of the convertible than the coupe, and I almost never take a convertible over a coupe. There are also several other small visual tweaks to accommodate the convertible. Most specifically, you look over the rear hatch where the engine now is, you can see the rear lid is a different design. This was done so when the top is down and stowed in here, the engine still has adequate cooling. Now all the hardware under the skin is the same between the coupe and the convertible, and Chevrolet specifically says they designed the C8 Corvette from the get-go to be a convertible. All the underpinnings are the same as well. Behind the driver you have the same 6.2-liter naturally aspirated LT2 V8, good for 495 horsepower. Paired exclusively to a dual clutch automatic transmission. Obviously, power sent to the rear wheels via the cool electronically controlled limited slip differential they use in the new Corvette. And like the coupe, you can get a convertible in either the base trim, which is the blue car right there, or you can get it with the Z51 Performance Package, which you can see right here, which gives you the cooler wheels, the bigger brakes, the different aero package, and the sports exhaust system. So while the hardware under the skin is the same, the price obviously is a bit different from coupe to convertible. Now when Chevrolet debuted the C8 Corvette Coupe, they stunned the world with a low price point of $59,995, and now with this convertible model, obviously you pay a price premium. That price premium is $7,500, which brings the base price of the Corvette convertible up to $67,495. That convertible top not only looks slick, but it's pretty slick in its operation, taking just 16 seconds to go from top up to top down. Additionally, Chevrolet claims you can go to speeds up to 30 miles an hour while dropping the top, which is pretty cool in case you get caught in a rainstorm. Now I'm going to shut up for a minute and just show you around the new Corvette convertible. Here we go.
Just a huge thing. I mean, I do like this styling element. Yeah.
Top down, fine.
Yeah.
So blind spots aren't bad with the top down, but obviously these flying buttresses do get in the way of things. Clearly, this is a pretty notable blind spot. If you're on the shorter side of things, you're just not going to be able to see what's happening over here. Fortunately, this car has blind spot monitoring in the mirrors right there. Now this is a rapid blue C8 convertible with a non-Z51. This is the base car. Notice the no wing, no blacked out wheels, standard brakes, etc., etc. Love this color combo. Rapid blue with the blue interior. That is such a great pairing. Curiously, Chevrolet is being a bit tight-lipped with the details behind the new C8 convertible. For example, we don't know how much the car weighs, though just guesstimating about 100 pounds more, let's say. Additionally, they're being tight-lipped about performance figures as well, though they assure us that, like the coupe, this thing should do 0 to 60 in about 3 seconds. Something we do know, and a great way to end this piece, is availability. Because Chevrolet has confirmed they will begin producing the C8 convertible in Q1 of 2020, with deliveries beginning shortly after that. So, if you want one, head down to your local Chevy dealer, ASAP. Alright, that's all I got from the C8 convertible reveal. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned for the next video where I go do more fun things with cars. Take care.